PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
When holding the racket, don't overcurl your wrist and don't twist it outward. It's a very simple principle. If you curl too much, you'll contact the ball from behind but too far to the side and end up brushing it with a wrap motion. If you twist outward too much, you'll contact the ball too much from the side. The ideal is a natural extension of your arm. That's right. This is the most relaxed and efficient position. The arm simply extends naturally. Aim to contact the exact back of the ball, just slightly toward the outside. Yes, exactly at the back, with a touch toward the outside. Finish with the stroke pointing toward your left foot. Good, that's correct. Yes, that's it. Why does this happen? Did you just execute a good forehand flick? When others notice you doing this, protecting the forehand, can you force others to play a backhand or make them chase after the ball? Isn't this just restraining the opponent? With all these options, what else can you do for a short return? How about a short return then? Look, did you see that? This is really about technique because your reaction is slow for a quick short return. A slow short return gives your opponent a tough time. This may be a bit challenging, right? But this is the reality. If you finish and just wait inside the court, even if you return short, I won't take it seriously. Why? Because in a match, you must return back after playing a shot. You can't just finish and wait inside the court. So when you finish, your opponent might play a short return. At this point, the second reaction is a slow short return. It must be during the falling period that you return short. Think about whether this makes sense. What is the first element of a short ball? Do not be too loose on the placement. You said you were playing a short ball. After I serve a short ball, counterattack with topspin or backspin, partially covering the table, pulling you in. After you serve, focus on handling the opponent's short ball. You panicked, right? So, what is the first element of a short ball? No matter where I serve, you must ensure tight placement. If you serve hastily, the opponent can counter effectively. The ball is in play. My head didn't move. Regarding balance and elevation, the head can move. However, but there is a risk. This doesn't need to move. Look at your shoulder. Look, your grip pushes it here. Your hand went over, right? I lean forward and push out. Take the ball over there. It's not about shaking the head. You need to look at the next shot. If you can't see the ball, there's another shot. It's important to draw back. Actually, the breaking is very important right now. You see, it's too similar to a straight punch. It drew back. The moment of relaxation, he is almost as tall as the ball. When the ball comes, you can, instead of pulling back diagonally, pull towards your own chest. It's like giving him a straight punch, right? Hit the ball, click on the middle of the ball. Do you want the racket shape to be a bit brighter? The racket shape, do not deliberately make it just bright. Naturally stand it up. You can't do this. So when you stand up, the shape is slightly brighter, slightly brighter. Feeling the breaking is particularly important. You should feel that after giving this small straight punch. Quickly draw your hand back. You see, it's just like boxing. It drew back. Actually, the breaking is very important. Relax right quickly now. After breaking rapidly. You see, it's too similar to a straight punch. After I put some effort into it, I'll make a loop. When it touches here, Do you feel a bit lifted? Actually, what are you doing? Can you understand that I'm stopping it like a car? Is it too short? Is it a bit lifted after stopping it short? This lift actually feels like braking. Stick to the edge. Disgusting, right? Haha. Look at it like this. Is it stopped after cutting? After cutting, there's a little lift. After cutting, there's a lift. It's tight right after cutting. After you touch the ball, there's a slight feeling of lifting upwards. Okay, come on. Let me see if you can do the side spin. Can you feel it? After the cut, a slight lift is good. After the cut and lift smoothly. The longer the stroke, the lower it should be. Very good length. Beautiful. Come on. Your hand position is like you're too late. It's good if you can move forward. You need to think about moving forward more. You're hitting the ball 3 times with 1 shot. Do you think it's possible to hit 3? You see, I take 1 step and that's it. Is it really just 1 step? Are you really just taking 1 step? But I am relaxed. Did I hesitate here? No. Also, when you hesitate here, do you store power? Are you storing power in your abdomen? It's like storing power in your hand, right? You've already taken a step, right? Rotate outward more. Don't fold yourself up. You need the opponent to react a bit faster. It's too late. Did you get outplayed? Do I look like this? Are you positioning yourself correctly in 1 step? Do you need to change direction midway through the shot? There's no change in direction at all. Keep moving outward without changing direction. Oh, you folded, didn't you? So, never add embellishments to your shots. Move forward and out. Right. Relax and move smoothly forward and outward.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.